Make sure to stand till the end so you can see where all the clips are, because otherwise you can destroy that trim piece and you can cause damage to the dash as well. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series generation F10 F11. If you need to remove or replace center dash vents, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that guys in this video today. Everything from start to finish. You need to remove the center trim out, and if you don't do it the right way, you can damage it. It will look really ugly guys. You need to replace it, they're expensive. You can even damage your dash, so make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain how to do that step by step. So how we're going to do that? Okay, we're going to come right here inside, and it should work on multiple years and models guys, all the way from 2010 currently until now. Okay, practically ours is 2013, but 2018 I think is when they changed the body style. And what we have here, okay, how we're going to remove that trim piece now here. You may guys get a prying tool, but what I usually do, I open the glove box. By opening the glove box, you can access that trim underneath. That trim, if you apply too much pressure, I want to show you what can easily happen. Like, it was removed in the past, and right here, check this thing out. It's a little bit, guys, okay, wrinkled. Okay, practically you can crack it. So you need to apply firm pressure for that center dash trim. And how you do that, you start on one end, okay? There is multiple clips, and a little bit at a time you go. You don't just pull from one side and try to yank it out guys. It doesn't work that way. Now we're going to go ahead, keep pulling a little bit, gently comes out. What do we have here specifically? Okay, let's explain now. Here we have the ignition switch that we're going to disconnect. Okay, let me focus. Perfect, just like that. By pressing right here in the middle. Okay, and it comes out. Don't pull for the wires because you can easily guys break them. Here we have a couple more switches. One, okay, is for the vents, and the other switch that we have specifically here, I think this is for the central locking. So this one is a little bit trickier to remove, but it's doable. Then we just have one little bit of trim right here that they attach to. Okay, let me see if it's going to come out. Perfect, and that center trim came out, you can see, completely just like that. So let me show you now. I want to show you where all the clips are so you know what to expect guys. Okay, you have one clip here towards the very passenger side right there. So you have 1, 2 right here, 3, 4, 5. Then passing this, you come all the way to this side, and you have 6, 7 right here. They go in these holes, you can see like that. It's very important to know so you can avoid damaging guys, okay, your trim piece and dash as well. So for the center dash vents, what we have here, you can see we're going to have removing screws with Torx 20. Okay, we have these screws that we have right there. 1 coming out, 2, next, those are towards the bottom side. We have number 3 here, okay, let's see first here, okay, 4 right there. 1 second first, okay, I need to adjust here the camera. Here we have one more on the top. Okay. In the corners, we need to do those as well. Perfect. Now we have 2 more in these corners here. Let's go ahead and do those. And now the center dash vents guys, okay, they should come out in an angle, okay, you can see, just like that. So that's how you guys remove the center dash vents on BMW F10 F11. You can see that's the whole kit. If you just need to remove the front vents right here, the face part of it, we will have the video how to do that as well. Check it out on the channel. For any of you needing to do the whole procedure, that's how you do it. If you have any questions, let us know. Don't hesitate. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.